So hello everyone, welcome back to another video documentary. And I know it has been a long time that I was not updating about the progress of LireAI, but that doesn't mean that I was not, working on it. Well, mainly there is a reason, behind this, that I was moving from one town to the another. Actually, now I'm in the city. I'm in Halifax now. So, uh, yeah, I was moving from Wolfville to Halifax, and that's why I couldn't do I couldn't make any video documentaries. Okay, but having said that, it doesn't mean that I was not working. Okay, um, I was now one of my businesses, actually two of my businesses have been successfully registered in the Nova Scotia Registry of Joint Stocks. Okay, and what that means is that I can, physically start two businesses in Canada, in Nova Scotia. One which is LireAI, and the other one is going to be TCX Energy, which is, a company named after my grandfather. But the reason, right, the main reason for me to start that business first, TCX Energy first, is that any AI business, right, it's very energy consuming. Okay, it requires a lot of energy, and the energy is used to, run the data centers. Okay, and as I mentioned, it takes a lot of energy. So if I start LireAI on the grid, which has been set up by Nova Scotia Power, okay, or if the companies run on the electricity which is provided by the grid, then I will be paying a lot of money in, the I would be paying a lot for the energy consumption. So to minimize that, right, I had to, come up with an idea which could eventually, light up the whole LireAI, could provide the energy for the whole LireAI, but not just that. It could also, provide us a revenue that we could use for the development of LireAI. So that's why T6 Energy, that's the purpose of T6 Energy, is to, add at least 3 megawatts of, renewable energy, add 3 megawatts of renewable energy to the grid, which is the Nova Scotia Power. So that's the goal. And because Nova Scotia, right, as a province, they want to reach the goal of 100 megawatts hour of electricity by the year 2030. So with this, we could be able to add, some amount of, renewable energy in the grid. So that's why this company is important. And when we, sell this electricity to the Nova Scotia Power, we as a company get a, we as a company get uh, a incentive, you can say, that, thanks for generating this energy and giving it to the consumers, which is the population, uh, which is the population of Nova Scotia, or people of Nova Scotia. So that's why this company is also very important right now, before even LireAI, because maybe the way I see it, right, it's like these small companies will eventually make up LireAI, because LireAI is it's a very big project, to be honest, and it will take years of work, to get there. And so, to be honest with you guys, the first, the next step right now is to, get a place or like a farm where I can, actually start it physically, because that's what I need. I need like at least 20 acres of land. So the next few days will be spent searching for land in Nova Scotia, and that's the first step. And I will update you, whatever happens. But this company will be the stepping stone of LireAI. As soon as I find my land, I will, update you guys about that. Also, the reason I was, not posting videos, one of the reasons was that I was not performing well at my job, and my company told me that, we are giving you this notice of 1 month, that if you, don't improve your performance over this 1 month, we might have to fire you. So in order for me to, fuel these ideas even a little bit, I need to have this job, this source of income. So I was also working on my job, okay, and from now onwards the video will be more frequent, I hope so, because there's a lot of work, there's a lot of documentation that needs to be done. There is yeah, just a lot of work that needs to be done. Until then, I will see you in the next video.